How to change password on Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, open Control Panel. On touch interface, the easiest method is through its link or the start menu. But the control command or power use menu is probably faster if you have a keyboard or mouse. Now what you select for this step depends on your version of Windows. For Windows 10, select user account. Now select user accounts again. Then choose manage another account. Now select the user you want to change the password for. Now choose change the password option available. So enter a new password for the user in both the first and second text boxes. When you change your Windows password from outside the account, the user you are changing the password for will lose all access to EFS, encrypted files, personal certificates, and any stored password like those for network resources and website passwords. In the last text box, you are asked to type a password hint. This step is not required. Then select change password to save the password change. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.